everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited that it's fall. I'm saying it in every video because I am. I love fall looks. It's more me. I am just ready for it. So this look right here, I'm feeling like I am wanting to do bronze. I don't have it on the eyes right now, but I do have it in the mind. So I kind of like got an idea of what I want to do. But I already have my tape on. I already have the brows primed, eyes primed, everything primed. It's on and popping. So hi, if you're new, I'm Beauty by Yanity. Welcome to the channel. I do beauty and also fashion videos. So I do have some fashion videos already planned out. So in a while. So I'm gonna go in with the Smoky palette from LA Colors. This is their Smoky palette. It's so cute. I have a review on it. If you guys are new, I am a LA girl. I am an LA Colors love fangirl, fanatic, everything. So I'm just gonna take this warm brown right here. LA Colors do have the best, when I say the best fluffy brush from Wet n Wild. This is a nice fluffy brush for crease colors, and it does pick up a lot of eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna tap off major excess, and I'm gonna apply that brown as usual in my crease. So I'm just gonna take it. I'm gonna start the outer, look how pigmented that is, like, oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna take at the outer part first, and then I'm just gonna make sure I wing it out because I kind of like that sharp edge, if you guys cannot tell. If you follow me on Instagram, which is Beauty by Yanity, I post several pictures of my looks. Like I posted in the highlight story. I posted in the highlight story, and also in the I posted a highlight story and also posted just on my page itself. But lately I haven't been uploading my tutorials because I just got a new phone and I had to re-download all my apps. So I do have the app where I download it to the phone and able to upload it from my laptop to my to my phone. So I got it now. So I'm gonna be back on the Tease palette, which is the Element of Surprise Color Pop, and I'm gonna take Details and go with the flow. These are also another great blending, you know, another great transition shade. So I'm using the same exact brush, and I am dabbing the brush into shades, and then I'm going to also apply it in the inner part of it because I feel like it's more warmer. That's why I feel like it's more warmer when I do this step. Like it's more warmer. Add a little bit more on the other eye. What are your plans for Thanksgiving? I hope this video is up before Thanksgiving, which it might be. What are your plans for Thanksgiving? Mine is just doing what I usually do. Spend time with my family, as usual. Eat, wear outfit in the living room. Isn't that crazy? You have to pick just to sit in your living room, like, and slay. Like, that is crazy, but we're used to it. We've been doing it for a very, very long time. It hasn't bothered us unless we just really not noticing that, you know, that's what we do. I'm having a little bit of trouble with this palette, but I want to use it anyway. And I'm gonna take this nice, I think I'm gonna go in with this pretty color right here. Yeah, I'm gonna go in a nice brown as well. It probably do better than the yellow because yellow is what really made me turn off from the palette. And usually I'm okay with yellow, like usually yellow is my color, but it kind of turned me off from it, and I was not happy. I was not a happy camper. Like, these shadows aren't really that pigmented, but I used it anyway. So see, it's just, you can barely tell that I used it, like. But good thing I wasn't planning on using a color for color. because it won't look right. Okay. So I think we got enough of warm in the crease. I think we have enough warm. Now I want to go in. Let's see. Now I'm going to go back in with the Smoky palette. And I'm going to take this grayish color here, which is the third row on the bottom, which is the 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth color on the bottom. And I want to take it. But you know what? LA Colors is really stepping up their game with their eyeshadows though. Because I'm saying, like, they are really stepping it up. Stepping it up. And it's very good because everyone was once sleeping on LA Colors, and now LA Colors Instagram is banging because everybody has woke up and they have gotten on the wagon, which I'm very glad because this is like my favorite brand, you guys. This is like my favorite brand. So which I'm so glad that it's my favorite brand. And also the brush that I'm using to do this is the e.l.f. blending eye brush. Alright. Now I'm going to do my favorite part, which is concealer, and I will be right back. I'm going to do it on camera, but I can't talk and do concealer at the same time. But I can tell you which one I'm using. I'm using the LA Colors. This is the LA Colors Deep. The shade Deep. Now I'm gonna go in with the BH Cosmetics blush palette, and I'm gonna take this red color right here. Oh, that's so beautiful. Ooh. Oh, that's so pretty. same color that we applied in the first half of the lid, also in the outer V. Black eyeliner, or you know, I'm debating, or should I add black a little bit more into the eyes, or should I just keep it the way it is? I'm debating. I really am. I think I'm just gonna add a little bit more of that brown, or that grayish color. Yeah, I had to the outer V, kind of focus it more. Yep. All right. I believe the eyeliner looked better this time. I really do, compared to the last round. Because, girl, whew. So in the inner corner, I am going in with the Lorac Pro Palette, and I'm going to be taking light bronze. I'm going to be taking light bronze, add it to the inner corner. Give it some pop, 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 pop. And I think that's the mo I'm gonna do, because I don't want to take away. Not like you can take away from. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is take the rest of that shadow and just apply it. Ooh, right in the center. Boom! Give it a little. So I'm gonna apply my lashes, and I'm gonna complete my face, and then